In the world of e-commerce content marketing, most shoppers are not committed to a particular brand when they're at the top of the funnel. Online interactions play a fundamental role in influencing their ultimate purchase decision. However, shoppers can be overwhelmed with the abundance of alternatives and choices, and that often slows their path to purchase. Purchasing decisions become even more challenging when all shoppers can see are generic product images from one specific angle with a white background. Today, we'll discuss how enhancing and personalizing product visuals can help shoppers make better buying decisions. According to Salesforce, 88% of US marketers reported seeing measurable improvements due to personalization, with more than half reporting a sales lift greater than 10%. Hi, I'm here to talk about the effectiveness of personalized content on your website. We know that shoppers don't purchase via cold product data, but via emotional triggers, where contextual visuals can recall a fond memory or inspire a better future, and can definitely add value to their current lifestyles. When the average consumer is exposed to hundreds, or more likely thousands, of images a day, fighting for shopper eyeballs is more crucial than ever. Marketers only have a few seconds, maybe even less than that, to not only grab a shopper's attention, but also to generate relevancy and be memorable to her. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all visual marketing using the same images across geographies, demographics, and buyer personas. The next generation of successful online brands will replace bland stock images with personalized visuals, tailored to individual consumers' tastes and preferences. We see a growing trend where already over 55% of marketers use a strategic combination of customer feedback and data insights to create personalized experiences for individual shoppers. Retailers can also apply this approach when creating product images. Today, some of the most tech-forward e-commerce players are leveraging valuable consumer behavior data to show personalized visuals to their shoppers. When personalized images are displayed, shoppers can better visualize products in various situations and see precisely how those products will fit into their lives. For example, a furniture retailer can let a shopper see how a new sofa will look in her dream living room. The better shoppers can contextualize the visual image and imagine your product as part of their lives, the more likely they are to buy. Common Gateway Interface, or CGI, creates either still or animated visual content with computer software. CGI usually refers to the 3D computer graphics that are used to create scenes and then can be inserted easily and embedded seamlessly into lifestyle backgrounds. They can also be tailored for your different audiences, seasonal campaigns, or even different digital formats. With 3D images, a shopper can, for instance, easily spin a product image 360 degrees so they get a better sense of the product's overall look and feel from all angles. By using CGI and 3D product modeling, you can start creating personalized content that was previously impossible to create in a fraction of the time of a traditional photo shoot. In fact, creating these 3D product images with CGI is 10 times faster than traditional methods, all the while saving up to 90% on visual production budgets. With just a few clicks, the same product can be rendered into multiple different scenes to target different audiences. Think of selling the same product to an urban dweller who lives in an industrial loft apartment and also a suburbanite living in a 5,000 square foot farmhouse-style home. That's a game changer in visual merchandising. Making compelling, personalized, memorable content is vital in today's competitive market. Customers want a personalized experience that elicits emotion and stands out in the marketplace. By using CGI technology, you can induce this emotional response based on your customer data in less time and spend less money than your traditional photo graphics.